Ito na, my God. Philippines, bigyan nyo na.
There are 3 remaining
At hindi na lang.
spots for the top 10.
Which country?
Philippines.
na yan.
Which girl will enter in these 3 last spots?
Naku, Philippines na.
Philippines, Philippines. Philippines, Philippines, Philippines.
Taking up the 8th spot on the top 10 is
Philippines.
Pilipinas. Philippines. Nalaglag! Aray!
So the winner of Philippines People's Choice Award.
Oh my God, Philippines is there! I love it!
Oh.
Pasok tayo!
Dalawa na lang, bag bumba.
Oo nga, oh my God! Oh my God! Kinabahan ako doon! Kinabahan ka? Oh, ako din, akala ko, my God, top 8. My God, pang 8 sa tinawag. Oh my goodness. Anyway, masaya na tayo. May laban pa!